Good afternoon, students. Our next topic is in from your political parties. How many parties does a country have? I mean to say, uh, small country have one party system, or vast countries may have more than one party system. But here I would like to make it clear that it is not necessary that a vast country should have more than one parties and small country having only one party. Like we have this example here, like China being a vast country having single party system is over there, that is very vast area wise, and some provinces of Russia also like that. And if we talk about small country should have one party, that is we can see the example from Yugoslavia. Belgium is there, Sri Lanka is there, and many more are there. So it is not easy to say that, it is not definite to say that how many parties a particular country does have. It is not depending upon that number of the parties, but many more factors affect this system, like size of the population, people's thinking about the country's history regarding their political administration, and many more factors like country's relation with other countries of the world. In this way, it is not easy to say that what type of country should have what type of parties. A vast country may be having single party, for example in China, and a small country may have more than one political party. It is to be justified like that only. Then our next question is that what is the party system that is going on in India as well as our contemporary world. Party system mean to say how many political parties are contesting elections in that particular country at different levels of the election, mean to say MLA's election, MP's election and others. And here I would like to mention three types of the system: one party system, two party system and multi-party system. And moreover, this multi-party system takes the alliances also, alliances of the parties. One party system, the countries where only single party contests the election, like in China there is only one party, that is Communist Party. Different candidates contest election there, but on the name of same party. People cast their votes on the name of candidate, because whosoever candidate will win the election, but from the same party that will rule upon the country, that will form the government, that will be acting as, that will be playing his or her role as a MLA and MLA MP, so on so forth. This and the next is two party system. Like we know that some countries of the world, there are only two political parties contest the election every time. We never heard the name of third political party. There may be parties, but they cannot contest election. They just for working as pressure groups, social groups and so on so forth. Exactly same way I would like to take the name of two countries, UK and USA. There is only two parties are working there, like UK we have Labour Party and they have one Conservative parties. Every time there is exchange between these two parties, elections are there, either of them is making the government and forming the policies for the welfare of the country. And third type of party system is multi-party system, that is in India. Multi-party system, that is in India, and in that more than one parties are there that are taking part in the political contest, like in political election in India. I told you earlier in my previous lecture, more than 750 parties are there, regional parties, right? There is one map on your book. All the names of regional parties are there, like in Punjab, Shromani Akali Dal, and in Haryana, National Lok Dal, Anna DMK, DMK. Many more parties are there. They are contesting election at the level of regional level, that is state level. And in national level, there are 7 parties like Congress, BJP, CPI, CPIM, SSP, BSP, like that. And all these parties contest election, and these political parties, mean to say more than one political parties, more than 2 political party. In other words, we can say that multi-party system with alliance, and India has applied this formula, multi-party system with alliance. We have all the political parties, major 2 alliance are there, UPA, United Progressive Alliance, and DNA, Democratic NDA, National Democratic Alliance. And in my next lecture, we will study about the political parties, 7 political parties, what are their ideologies. And I would like to give you here homework for this. You have to note down the names of all 7 political parties from your book, whatsoever I told you. BJP, Congress, then each party's unique feature you have to write, like in INC is the oldest political party, like BJP has its Hinduvata ideology, and so on so forth, CPI, CPIM, minimum 3 to 4 unique feature you have to note down for each and every party, political party, that is national level party. And from that map, I'll ask you some question in your next any online class. I'll tell you regarding that also. In this way, I have told you party system, 1 party system, 2 party system, multi-party system, along with the countries, and what type of party system should a small country or vast country, that is difficult to determine, because not only one factor is responsible, there are many more factors responsible for it. Thank you, stay safe.